Okay, what's up, guys? Let me know if you hear me good. What's up, Christian? It's Wednesday. We got Trump speaks today for the G7, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, G7 were in France. Okay, thank you for your feedback. Wait, let me check it by myself. Okay, it's good. Everything is good. So, we got the Trump speaks today. And in next 3 hours, we got federal fund rate. First check of Kevin Walsh power. Let's see if he will be like a Powell, like our grandpa Jerome. Let's see later. 10 minutes before FOMC bonus session for today, so actual session will be a bit shorter probably. Forecast previews, let's check the data. They want to keep the same rates of rates. Okay, they want to pause the rates at the same level. It's almost 100%, so nothing changed today for the rates. Nothing changed for the rates, should stay at the same level. So let's go for the technical analysis. What's up, Philip? Nice to see you again. Gold after Trump speaks, trying to do something. As we talked yesterday, we are inside the range. I'm not expecting anything till FOMC comes, so yeah. I will wait for FOMC with any trades like we talked yesterday. Still ranging. Of course, if we do a proper breakout, I mean candle close above, not 1 minute candle, you know, something like 1 hour or 15 minutes. Maybe we can play the pullback and continuation, but for now I still want to sweep this liquidity Range is the same, we still not touch previous high of this move here and this move here. So zones are still the same, only what you need is patient, traps are set, and now we are waiting for gold to come to us. I will not do anything, I'm just waiting for the market come to me, and when market come to me, I'm just check the price action, confirmations, break of structure, engulfing candles, engulfing volume, and things like that for execute the position. Now we waiting. So gold, nothing changed, analysis is still active. Oh, Philip, Zakynthos, nice, Greece. You are on the vacation, nice. Enjoy your time, enjoy your vacation, brother. I were in Greece over 1 month ago. At 1st May or around that time, something like this, but not Zakynthos. I were in Thessaloniki. Greece is beautiful. I was also on Rhodos in 2019 or 2018. Yeah, 2018. I was on Rhodos. Yeah, very nice country, and beautiful islands for sure. Dollar, let's go. Dollar is trying to do something for our position from yesterday. It's still consolidating in the range, like probably everything. It's still ranging. I want to see sweep of this liquidity and maybe do the waterfall for the downside. Sweep the liquidity. That's the buy position for sweep the liquidity, hit the zone, and inside this zone is key point, because inside this zone, if you see price slow down, if price slow down inside this box, if price print break of structure to the downside on 5-minute chart or 15-minute chart, maybe you can think about execute dollar to the downside for the sells. But if we just break through the zone without any problems, just dash it to the upside, I believe dollar still can continue, and we were going for our target here. Because dollar macro, I want to see upside, but I want to see upside dollar to macro, but peace deal coming soon. We got the liquidity here. Where is our target? We got this liquidity. So there is a potential to swap it for the manipulation liquidity sweep and go down. And that will be better than that lower zone. It's still a probable setup So that's why this is the target, because from that target dollar also can drop and reverse to the downside. That's why this is the target for our position, you know. And every position I'm marking here and here and here, and now target is after this liquidity sweep. That's the full target. After this liquidity sweep, maybe we can go for bigger pullback, because you see, clean counter trend to the downside. Clean counter trend liquidity is here. So maybe after swap that high, we can go for sweep this trend line. There is also liquidity. There is probably some imbalance on the lower time frame, volume. We can sweep it, reaccumulate, and then go up. So this is my target before potential bigger pullback to the downside, before the reversal. And that reversal can come today with high volatility news, federal fund rates, new chairman speaks, Kevin Walsh. So we'll see if he said good morning and chart just explode and bye bye. We will see. That's the first fund rate with Kevin Walsh. Silver also ranging between that break even and TP1. I mean, break even is not here, break even should be there when you open the position. And if gold do the pullback, if dollar sweep the liquidity, I think you can hold it with break even. When the price return into the zone again, yeah, they hit you break even, but overall you can open another position and hold it, because when we hit that zone, I want to see fly. So same as yesterday. Maybe I'm going to share the chart for FOMC, or maybe not. Oh, euro, you see euro? Literally follow our path from yesterday. GBP same. And almost hit TP1. Yeah, that's 2 pips, you know. It doesn't mean she can return to the zone or sweep the higher liquidity. So don't think it's just melting. Yeah, of course, if you open the position inside this box or on euro inside this box, GBP, and you think it can just melt after FOMC outcome, you can hold it with break even. But don't forget, some brokers have a slippage on the stop loss. So if you put break even and the price aggressive push through your break even, your broker can lagging for 2 minutes or 1 minute or some seconds and close your position with big drawdown, even if you were break even. So manage that positions on euro and GBP. Break even at all. If they die, you will be happy with your break even. If they spike up, you open once again from the same zone on or higher one. Sweep the liquidity deeper into the zone. That was high risk. They deep into the zone, but I think, yeah, CHF can go up for FOMC. I mean, that can be first initial move. Idea for euro and for dollar and dollar pairs is about first initial move. Idea for gold is after the first move. You got me? Bitcoin maybe go higher and do the pullback. Maybe we are about the reverse to the upside. We'll see. Talking to you, that's a good place to stacking some Bitcoin if you are impatient. I'm also buy another 10% here. And when we were somewhere here, I told you I buy another 10% for Bitcoin. So 60% left if we go to the lower zone. If we not go to the lower zone, I have 40% in Bitcoin. And oil. Oil. Come on. Come on, oil, don't do this for me. That position pending order were disgusting. And they never hit it. Come on, oil. Oh. So that's the ideas for the FOMC today. We got the live session 10 minutes before the FOMC. From myself, probably that's gonna be it. If you have some questions, maybe if you can't be later for the live session, maybe if you have question now, you can set it right now, because in the next few minutes I will finish for today. And yeah, and we see again in next 2.5 hours, something like that, 10 minutes before FOMC. FOMC today 8 p.m. Central European time, so that's gonna be 2 p.m. for EST, for the people living in New York time zone. That's gonna be 2 p.m. Christian, all clear, nice. Thank you for your feedback. I believe that oil. I want to see that oil push to the upside and sell it, you know, and that things will correlate with gold. Gold not looking bad, not looking good for going down now. Reaccumulate and go. We still have over 2 hours to go. But when I see when I see 15 minutes like that with this volume, I think she can just do the see ya. Gold is also possible to do the see you at the moon. No. Maybe that's also possible for gold. But it can be trick. Maybe gold want to trick us, you know. If it goes, it goes. I holding lower position. If it do the pullback, I will be also happy because I can add more. We'll see, but that thing is also probable. If you like risk, depends on you. If you like risk, go ahead. If you like patient, you can be patient with me for the lower zones. Yeah, it can be fake out and dump for sure. Yeah, we see later. I can't see any question. Christian said everything clear. Philip is on the island enjoying his time. So that's gonna be it for myself. We see again in next 2 hours, over 2 hours. And we catch the FOMC together. So be patient, guys. Prepare yourself, I mean your mentality, and we see again in the next 2 hours. See you guys. Bye bye.